When Narain tried to write down everything Sri Ramakrishna said, Sri Ramakrishna stopped him, saying, "There is someone else to do this work." Mahendranath Gupta used to write down a daily diary that Sri Ramakrishna preached to him. Later, the same diary became the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. The Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna is equivalent to the Bible. It is the modern Bhagavad Gita. Many people got reformed after reading the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. Initially, Mahendranath Gupta did not accept the printing of the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. Mahendranath Gupta said, "I wrote them only for my spiritual progress. You can print it after my death." However, when the other disciples insisted that these words of Sri Ramakrishna would be helpful to many people, he finally consented to their print. Mahendranath Gupta left his mortal frame on the day when the final page of the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna was printed. That body came only to bring that book unto earth. Once the work was finished, the body vanished.
Mahendranath Gupta said, "Sri Ramakrishna's very name is music to my ears."
Sri Ramakrishna said, "Mr. M, do you know who resides within the heart? It is the nameless and formless one."
On his visit to Mahendranath Gupta, Paul Brunton said, "His words are very pure. But after seeing him, I felt in his presence that his purity is much greater than his words."